Greetings everybody and welcome back. So, last time we were here, I had the doors closed and it was 50 some degrees and raining. Today, it's 92 degrees and it feels like you're literally walking on the surface of the sun. So today, what I did off camera is I took the SSD out of this Lenovo that we used last week and I put the SSD into this Lenovo. This is a thrift store Lenovo. Sadly, the thrift store is not there anymore. It used to the thrift store used to be be ran by the Salem County Christian Academy. And unfortunately, COVID took them out of business. Their admissions into their school were already low enough, and then COVID just kind of put the final nail in the coffin. It's really a shame, but unfortunately, it is what it is. But yeah, so back to this computer. So what I did is I took the SSD out of it. It originally had I'm assuming 250 gig Western Digital Blue, and it had like a very unoptimized copy of Windows 7 on it, and yeah. So what I did is I put the SSD in here because this one has Linux on it. And all I did is I made sure the computer powered up because it's literally been sitting over there for a year. I didn't do anything else to it. It's a Pentium dual core. Looks like 3 gigs of RAM with 32 meg shared. Pre-boot. What the heck is all this about? And alright, so not sure what all that was about, but it is loading Linux Mint. I wish I could close that door, but I can't because of the way I had the cable ran. Because I feel like that door is making it very difficult to see the screen. Let me put I'll put a less dark background on it. So I've never, do I still have, if need be, I can put this in and try to hook to the network and, anyway, so, alright, so what we have here, I know you can't really see that. You should be able to see that now. So we're running Cinnamon. It's on a ThinkCenter A58, I think. Uptime 1 minute. It's a E5300, and it's 3 gigs, 3,957 because 32 meg is for the video. It's got the minty dark, which oh, excuse me, I can't talk. I'm one of those dark mode everything people. So, what do we have here? Can't remember if I have anything cool on here or not. No. Alright, so on here we do have that Tux paint. It seems to work pretty well on here. Is this a... Yeah, this looks like a DVD RW in here. Not that you can see anything I'm doing right now. But says that Tux paint that I think I showed last time. And we'll Alt F4 out of that. Or not. So we'll take the same USB flash drive we took last time. I just want to see if this Pentium dual core is capable of the playback that the other one was. The other one was an i5, and I failed to, I know it's a 4th gen i5, that's really all I know. So this is a 1080p 60 video. Alright, so I want to see if I can get this thing started on... Oh, no, this can't do the 1080p 60 off. I knew something wasn't right. What about 720p 30?
GPU supply to be a bit better.
It's a little choppy,
which is certainly promising to hear. Last week, we reported on the arrival of a new cryptocurrency called
Yeah, I was listening to Gamers Nexus that day. I don't know what kind of... I know it's a Blu-ray rip.
All the respectable, straight arrow guys were busy doing what they always do, which is be respectable, which meant the rest of us could run around acting like crazies, which is what we did best. I miss those days.
And this is just like a 480p or something, or 1080.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Whippy!
I'm so glad my kid does not watch this guy anymore. He teaches good stuff, but he's annoying as hell. And my understanding is he is a copyright, serious copyright guy. Let me try something here. I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm not sure why, but it took me a while to get it to Wi-Fi hotspot to my phone. Let's go on the interwebs. I think the only thing I have on here is Firefox. Start new session. My phone's internet's not very great here. So, like, even though I know I can go on YouTube, I don't think I'm going to have a good time playing the video. And I also don't want to spend too much time because, honestly, I can feel the heat coming out of the back of this computer. And being that, like I said, it's 92 degrees today, I really don't think... Anyway. So, just out of curiosity, so a website that I use a lot, this is one I know I've never checked on here, it's called e-replacement parts, and I don't know. Let's look up. Let's look up any snowblower. Yeah, let's just look up this friction wheel. It says it's special order. So it looks like this could very easily be used as a shop computer. Like, you know, I'm not having any issues as far as like the actual, you know, bringing up a website and looking up, it's like on these, I know. So like if I control scroll, you know, I can scroll in and, you know, oh yeah, that's the piece I need right there. You know, pull that up, carriage bolt discontinued, blah, blah, blah. But I think between equipment failure and me failure due to heat, I think I'm going to call this a relatively early video. Like I said, I just wanted to get something out, something computer related. It's just so hot right now. I have a 2-foot fan. Let me see if I can get this on camera. My shop's a mess, by the way. I'm still cleaning it. I have a 2-foot fan over there. I have a, let me turn this way. I have that fan there, and I got another fan over here somewhere. But yeah, so I'm like hot. So anyway, I think I'm going to call this a video because even though I'm feeling okay right now, I just don't want to push it too much with, you know, health. I had some other ideas. I was looking at a couple things, but I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I'm trying something a little bit different, and if it works, you'll probably be the first to know because it'll be at the end of the video you just watched. That's if you watch all the way to the end. Most people don't, but that's okay. So I got a mount for putting my camera on a GoPro mount. So right now this is the Canon Vixia, whatever. I did a video about it last year. Now I wouldn't want to do this on the highway because this, or you know, on a road, public road, because this is blocking a decent amount of my field of view, but not that much. So I don't know what's going on here, but they are tearing a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff out here. So we're at the storage unit, obviously, because it looks like a, you know, storage unit. And yeah, so I'm probably gonna put my GoPro back on before I leave here. But you know, if I could record without the screen open, I would go ahead and leave this up here, but I've got the screen open. But so far this seems pretty stable. It's not really doing anything crazy. I'll know how the footage looks when I get home. I don't know about it now. You know, this is all a test. Hell, I wonder if I should talk to these guys here, these CrossFit guys. Because I need to lose some weight. I am doing something about my weight. Actually, it's about my health in general. I don't really want to talk publicly about it yet. I'm about 4 days into it. So it's still too soon to say, but right now I do feel pretty good. I have not taken pain pills in 2 or 3 days. I have not. I mean, like, there have been days where I'm practically popping Skittles, or popping a leaf like Skittles, you know. And but yeah, I haven't had to do that. I'll talk about it when I know, like, when it's more of a long-term thing. But short-term, I am very happy. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and call this end of the video. The main portion of the video kind of ended abruptly because my brother was calling me. So I figured I'd put a little extra in there. I hope the windsock on here is doing its job. I just pointed at it, like you can see where I'm at. But yeah, I hope it's doing its job because I do have a AC vent pointing right at my chest. Actually, more towards my face, but it's hitting the microphone, so I hope the windsock's doing its job. I know you can hear the wind, but I hope it's not all at you. Anyway, if you made it to this point, you're the real MVP. So thanks for watching. Have a blessed day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.